As a follow-up from the 45 Under 45 Leadership Excellence Awards, the Global CEO Forum arranged this leadership training program together with Toyota Lanka, and it was a great success for a group of about 40 people. They had a half-day program, half-day leadership program, and it's different to any other program that I've attended because the senior management of Toyota Lanka also dedicated a lot of time. The chairman and also the CEO. The CEO spent like the entire half day with us, taking us around the company, and it was a great experience, different experience, and they took great care of us. So I would like to thank Toyota Lanka as well as, of course, the Global CEO magazine for this great opportunity and their dedication in continuously developing our leadership skills. So thank you.
Global CEO Magazine. Global CEO Magazine, inspiring excellence.